Okay, so I think 70th we did yesterday.
I was not able to solve it when I tried doing it by myself.
A string breaks under a load of 4.8 kg. So that means the mass hanged, it is 4.8 kg. Okay. Please make notes after the class. Mass is 4.8 kg. A mass of, okay, sorry. It can break. It can break means it can sustain maximum tension at as 4.8 kgf.
Yeah, no, but how do you know that its maximum tension will be 48 Newton or 4.8 kg? It's just that it's the maximum load it can take. That's it.
Yeah, so the maximum load, that means it can have maximum tension as 4.8 kgf. That is simple.
I don't understand.
Just note it down if somewhere written that string breaks under a load. So that means it is talking about maximum tension it can sustain. Okay. So that will be maximum tension. So that is 4.8 into 10 Newton. So that will be maximum tension. A mass is given as 0.5 kg, m is 0.5 kg, is attached to one end of the string 2 meter long. 2 meter long string is there, so that means if you are moving it in circular fashion, so how much radius will of the circle? That will be 2 meter. Okay.
Yeah.
So the radius
Yeah,
will,
but like but the below case 71, the string is 30 centimeter, but the radius is 15. How is that possible? But in this one, you're saying that the string is 2 meter and that is the radius. How is that possible?
let us say this is your string.
Okay.
Okay, and you are making it a horizontal circle. So how much will be the radius of this circle?
It will be the length of the string.
Length of the string. So that's why I have written that r.
No, but in the below one, then the length of the string is 30 centimeter, but the radius is 15. How is that possible?
It is possible, yeah. It is
How?
it is not fully stretched.
What do you mean?
If I am just rotating it like this, so what will be the radius of circle?
It will be less than the length of the
It
string.
will be less than the length. If it is fully stretched like this and it is rotated,
Okay. Then only it will be the length of the string. Okay.
okay, so both cases are different.
But the string is always taut. That's what they said as well. That's the problem.
Okay,
No, no. But I'm saying, but in the below one, they also said that the string is always taut. So how is it always taut, but the length of the string is not radius?
always taut means it is, if I am just rotating it like this, so that means it will be having lesser tension,
Yeah.
and if it is rotating like this with the full radius, it will be
Greater
having
tension.
greater tension. So
Okay, but in both cases, they're still taut, but it's just
yeah,
amount of
yeah,
tautness.
yeah. So
Okay,
amount of
okay,
taut will be different, but in both of the cases it will be taut.
okay.
Got it now? So
Yes.
that means the radius of circle will be 15 centimeter in this case, but the length of the string will be 30 centimeter. That means it is not fully stretched horizontally.
Okay.
Okay, that means your circle is looking like this, but your string is somewhere here, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this will be the length of string, so that will be 30. Got it?
Yes.
Sorry, it will not be like standing here. It is making a circle, so that length would be 30.
Okay.
Got it? And
Yeah.
as it is a circle, so the radius would be 15.
15.
Just like this, you can do the question. Okay. Calculate the angular speed. That means omega you need to calculate. Now just check if it is at this point, how many forces are there? At A point, how many forces are there?
T point. That A point will be tension.
Yeah. Tension
There
will
will
be along the string.
yes, and there will be mg.
If this is theta,
Then
mg will be downward.
yes, there will be the centripetal force acting inwards,
Yeah, okay. And
and there will be
what force is keeping it intact to
the
make it a
well
circle?
the centri
If this is T, so the
the
horizontal
tension is
horizontal
the T 1 second. The T is cos theta.
that will be T cos theta,
Yeah,
because this will be theta.
yeah,
So T cos theta will be upward,
yeah,
and this will be T sin theta,
yeah,
isn't it? So T sin theta is keeping it intact, isn't it?
yeah.
So that T sin theta will be equal to centripetal force. So that is mr omega square. Okay. T cos theta is balancing mg.
Yeah.
So T cos theta is,
What can you tell why T sin theta is equal to mr omega square?
it is centripetal force.
Yeah, centripetal force was
Because
not
of,
mr omega square. Centripetal force was mv square by r.
but I have written another formula.
You didn't say this formula.
Yeah, we discussed it here.
We did not write it.
Centripetal force I told you mv square by r, and v I told you it is r omega.
Okay. Yes. Understood. I remember.
Because we need to find out omega, that's why I have written this formula. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you divide this, what happens? Tt cancel.
Dt gets cancelled.
So tan theta
Tan
is
theta is equal to
omega square by g. Okay, can we find tan theta?
Yes.
Okay, what will be tan theta?
It's perpendicular, right? That line.
Yeah, 15 is per 15, we can say opposite.
Yeah. To opposite upon adjacent. So it'll be 15 by 30.
30 is hypotenuse here.
Sorry, opposite by adjacent. Sorry. So what am I doing here? It will become sine theta is equal to 15 by 30.
Yes.
But we need tan. So first we'll use Pythagoras theorem. 30 square minus 15 square. So it is a 900 minus 225. 900 minus 225. 825, 725. 1 second. 900 minus 900, 800, 700, 700, 675.
Why
So
you are
6 roots.
why you are doing so much of homework? What is sine theta? Sine theta is 15 by 30.
Yeah,
It is 1 by 2. It
yeah,
is sine 30.
yeah.
Theta is 30 degree. That's all.
Oh yeah. Ah,
Okay. So just put the value of tan theta. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3.
yeah.
R is 15 centimeter. 15 to be converted into 0.15 omega square divided by G.
Why did you convert it?
We
Okay,
convert,
because it's in kilogram. That's why. Okay.
yeah, okay. G is, we can say 10. So omega is, if we simplify all of this, it becomes 6.14 radian per second. Okay, radian per second. Was it simple?
Yes. But okay, I was thinking it's very wrong formulas. That's all. I was trying to find it by two pi f.
Why are you finding F? It's not necessary here.
I was not able to find f. That was the issue.
Okay, okay, okay. Just try to solve this question.
Okay, so in particular, minus 21 that is minus 70. First one, right?
Yeah.
21. Okay, this one is easy. Find the first. I'll find a frequency. It
It
will be 1
is,
by 2. So
it
it
is
will be
easy.
0. Yes, this question should be easy. So it would be 0.5 would be the frequency. Oh, we need to find the tension. Okay. I need the tension.
In this entire NLM, if you understand what force is balancing which force, then the problem is solved. If you are able to make free body diagram, then your question is solved.
Yeah. Horizontals. Omega is equal to 2 pi f, right?
Yes. Yes, done.
1 second, sir.
It is very simple, yaar. It is very short question. Why are you taking so much time?
1 second, sir. Sir, will the answer be 14,534?
Yeah.
But sir, but why? I don't understand because why is the centripetal force equal to tension?
How many forces are there? Actually, that tension is producing centripetal force. That's why.
I found it that centripetal force now, but I was not sure if it would be equal to tension. That's why I was confused.
Because only the tension force is inward. So due to
No,
that tension,
no, 1 second, sir. Wouldn't it be like imagine this is moving a circle like this. The centripetal force would be acting towards the center of the circle, but whereas the tension would be acting upwards towards in the direction of the string. So how are these two equal?
because of tension, centripetal force is produced. That's why they are equal.
Tension centripetal forces, but yeah, because this tension is because that's why it's moving. That's why it will try to move towards the center. Understood. But why are these two equal?
If they are not equal, then what will happen? If centripetal force is more, then your body will be,
Okay, it will break and move towards the center. Okay.
yeah,
And
okay,
if tension is more,
it will move outward, okay.
okay. So these two are always equal if the object isn't moving outwards or inwards.
Yes, because of tension, or if there is any force, so because of their difference, centripetal force is produced. If you are talking about a circular motion, then motion is because of centripetal force, okay. So whatever,
Centripetal force acting because tension, because there is no
the
movement
big there,
inward or outwards.
yeah, because there is a disbalance in force, that's why centripetal force is produced.
In which two forces is this balance?
Disbalance, if you are just rotating a stone like this, so only tension is there, that will be inward, so that tension is producing centripetal force,
Okay.
okay. So that in that case, tension will be equal to the centripetal force.
Okay.
Okay, just do second question. Actually, it's a good habit. If something is not clicking in your mind, then you doesn't leave it. That is a good habit. That is called as critical thinking.
Yes, intention such as the centripetal force is also equal to 160. So 160.
Try to make a free body diagram. Okay.
Very bad at making that.
But if you're not drawing FBD, then your problem will be more complicated. In mathematics, if you're able to draw diagram, that means 60-70% of question is solved. Then only you will understand, yeah, what force is in which direction. That is necessary.
So in the previous question, when I did a diagram of the tension and the centripetal force, I was very confused. That why is tension equal to centripetal?
Because of tension, centripetal force is produced. That's all. So
But
there,
like, because when I did a diagram, tension was acting like this, and like in the string, centripetal was acting like this inwards. That's why I was confused.
your point is genuine. That's why I always suggest you to do questions in the classroom. If you are able to solve it in the classroom, then you will be able to solve it at your home.
The answer is 20, sir.
Yeah, right. Try the next one.
And were you going to explain something?
Okay. What?
No, no, because like the previous question you said you have a genuine doubt. So I thought you were going to explain something.
No, 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 no. Okay, do third one.
Okay, so
And what about the circular motion of a car? Have you done the questions from there also?
I started doing it.
Okay. Is that understood?
It's a bit less complicated, but I
Okay.
need to see if I'm able to understand it though.
Okay, okay. Okay,
Because
so
like if you don't understand, then if the question is a little bit twisted, then you don't get it.
okay, okay. So after this question we are going to do from that exercise.
Okay,
Okay.
so
Try to finish it fast.
yeah.
Third one, only third one.
Okay, so tension. Okay, so So, is there any easy way to do 19 into 3.14 square?
9 into 3.14 square.
19 into 3.14 square.
3.14 square.
90 into 3.14 whole square.
90 into 3.14 whole square. First you multiply this.
Okay.
So it becomes 282.60.
Yeah.
Okay. So 282.60. I'll get it square.
Yeah. 2260. Yeah.
So 2826 square will be multiplied 6 6 36 3 12 plus 12 24 24 plus 3 27 48 48 96 96 plus 400 103
What
103.
method are you using, sir?
This is Urdhva Tiryak method, that is a method of Vedic mathematics. Twelve plus 4 16, 12 plus 16 18, 12 plus 16 28, 28 plus 16 28 plus 16 is 44, 44 plus 12 is 56, 56 and 10 is 66. Okay, this is just a calculation here. You can do it after the class also. Okay. So
How do I know if my answer is correct?
answer is 5.344
But
Newton.
I need to multiply it.
Huh?
But I need to multiply it first.
It is 100 gram, yaar. Have you not converted into kilogram?
Why do I correct to kilogram? Because the below is also in centimeter, right?
So just convert this centimeter also in meter.
Okay, so 15 centimeter into meter, it will become 0.15. 0.15, and this should become 0.1. So 0.1 divided by 0.15 into that multiplication value. Is the answer correct?
How much?
0.1 divided by 0.15 into 90 pi square. The calculation which I just did, that one.
Okay, calculation is a very simple thing. So you can do it. We will not waste our time in calculation. Okay.
Yes. But how do I know if it's correct?
How much you saying?
0.1
See.
divided by 0.15.
See, basically your tension will be equal to mr omega square. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it? So just put the values. M is what? M is 100 gram, that means 0.1 kg.
Yeah.
Okay. And R is 15 centimeter, 0.15. Rate of revolution is 3 revolution per second. So omega is 2 pi n,
Yeah.
or 2 pi f we can say. So 2 pi into f is 3, so that is 6 pi. So omega is 6 pi. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you just multiply all these, you will get it 5.334 Newton. Okay. Understood the concept?
Yes.
Okay, very nice. Now we'll do some questions from circular motion. I think that 72 and 73 was done.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try to do 74. First of all, try to draw the figure. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then it will be easy to you. Have you drawn the diagram?
Yes, sir.
Just show me.
Just send a photo to you.
No, just show from the book, from the notebook. Just show it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right. Even you can draw the diagram like this also. Train has to negotiate a curve of 400 meter. By how much should the outer rail be raised? So that means if there are two rails, so let us say the rail is raised by h height. Okay,
Yeah.
this is this one and that is this one. Okay, so the raising the height difference between this rail and this rail is h.
Okay. Yeah.
And the length between these two rails is 1 meter.
So basically a car, but we just replace it with a train.
Car and train both will behave like same. It is a moving device.
But the train has like compartments and everything inside, questions they ask it like that, right?
But same concept will work for train also.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, sir.
And let us say this is theta. You need to find h. Our lecture is simultaneously available on YouTube. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So for your ease of convenience, so that you can watch it again if you want.
Yes. The lesson is also okay. So will it, even this video is found will be available on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Whatever lectures we have conducted, all are available on my channel.
We started doing this recently because like previously
No, 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 no. I started it from 2020, but I built a studio in the last year.
Okay, so in your studio now.
Yeah. Last year I was teaching you with the laptop.
Yeah.
This time it is a studio. It is very easy to, in a single click, I can go live.
Yeah. So does kids come to your studio to learn as well, or?
No, 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 no. It is purely online.
Oh, okay.
So much headache in offline mode.
Yeah.
See, there is a small glitch in this question because your theta will be very, very small. Okay? Sin theta will be h by L, isn't? So, for small angles, sin theta and tan theta both will be equal.
Okay.
Got it?
How do you know it's small?
It will be very small because
The edge is very big.
it is not very big, yeah. It is looking like very big, but it is not very big. If you keep the height difference between two rails very high, what will happen?
The train will fall.
The train will fall inside. So that should not be very high. So that's a very small angle. Okay, it is 1 degree, 0.8 degree, 0.5 degree. Okay. So now you have tan theta.
Yeah.
Tan theta is what? By the formula v square upon rg.
Yeah.
Tan theta is h by L is 1.
1 second, sir. Why would tan theta be v square by rg?
The formula है.
Because, okay, sorry, nothing. Continue.
Okay, so we can find out h here from this expression
How will we find h?
because h by 1 will be v square by rg.
Okay, we didn't write that h by 1 will be equal to v square by h.
H by 1, tan theta is h by 1 and it should be equal to v square by rg. So we can find value of v is 48 kilometer per hour. So this needs to be also be converted into meter per second.
Yeah.
Okay. So What do you need to do to convert it into meter per second?
Okay, to convert it to, okay. Oh, to convert the meters, we multiply it by 1000 and divide it by 60.
Yeah, so 5 by 18.
18. Yeah.
48 into 5 by 18. So these are small things, don't forget it. Okay.
Okay.
So after putting each and everything into the formula, you can find out the value of H. So that will be 0.0454 meter. Okay, that is very small value, isn't it?
Yeah.
That means it is 4.54 centimeter. If you are talking about in centimeter, that will be 4.54 centimeter. That small value it is. Okay.
Okay.
Now try to do 75th. Wasn't that easy?
Yes, it was.
They will look easy if you try to solve it.
Yeah, actually, if you try putting formulas, if you try and trying to diagram, then it starts to become easy.
Yeah. Without diagram, it will be very difficult. If you are totally
Because without diagram, you can't see what's happening.
yeah, you need to find the direction of force. Okay, in certain question, diagram is not necessary.
Yeah, that's some very easy, like directly putting the formula one step.
Yes. Like the 75th. It is a direct formula based question.
Calculate the actual theoretical cycle of events from the vertical limit versus a circular path of 34.3 meter circumference.
And if you forget formula in exams, then I told you how to derive it.
Yeah. But it's better to remember it, right?
Yeah, but for short tricks, it is better to remember. Because if you're preparing for competitive exams like JEE, NEET, that means you need to have a shorter time. Okay. If you are deriving your formula there, what will happen?
It gets to a tough time.
Yes, that much time is not there in competitive exams. So better to practice it before the exams so that you can remember each and every formula.
Yes, sir. And my test is on Sunday.
That means day after tomorrow.
Yes, circular motion.
Only circular motion is there.
Yes.
Okay, no worries, we'll finish it. Or should I tell you that circular motion?
What?
Should I tell you circular motion, the vertical circular motion?
We can take class tomorrow, is it? Right?
Yeah.
Can we take 2 class tomorrow?
Tomorrow we'll see. If it is possible, we'll see.
Just need to complete the portion which is in my focus. Right?
Okay.
So I think we should take 2 class tomorrow.
Okay, just focus here, just do that 75th. It's a simple question.
Yeah. We'll put in the formula theta is tan theta is equal to v square by rg, right?
Yes, and everything you have. So that is calculated very easily.
But
Okay.
we don't have v, sir. Okay, to find v, we don't have v, sir.
So V needs to be find out.
V, the formula for v is root rg tan theta, and we don't have theta.
V is what? V is length of path upon time taken.
Oh yeah, we must have this.
Circular
okay,
path.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Can you also upload the answer for the examples?
It is better if you solve it and just I have to check it.
Okay, so should I send it to you today after solving?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can mark example number and the answer. Okay, just write down example number, answer that much. So I'll,
And for the questions, I should directly check it, right?
yeah, questions it is given. Okay, just try to do this 76th. 76th is also very simple here. Okay,
Okay.
that is directly formula based. So 77, 78, 79, 79, just try to do it.
79. Okay.
Try to make FBD. After making free body diagram, just show me.
Okay.
It is also very simple.
Okay, sir.
It looks like a difficult one, but it is very simple.
Not able to draw the FBD, but I think I'm looking at the wrong FBD.
Just show me. No.
Yes, I get it. Yeah.
Where is electric bulb?
The electric bulb is that round object.
Okay. So if you suspend an electric bulb there, so that electric bulb which is suspended from the roof of a railway train by a flexible wire shifts through an angle of, it is just bind here. So earlier it was there, but it is here now. Okay, at a shift of how much? 19.48 degree. Let us say it is theta. Okay, how many forces are there? mg, and as it is a rotation, so mv square by r will be there. Okay, so what force will balance?
Tension.
So just draw the diagram. So if this is theta, your mv square upon r, that will also have two components.
Yeah.
Okay.
But how will we break the components of mv square? There's no point in breaking them. We can, because it will be angle.
Yes, surely you can find the angle. This angle is theta. This angle is theta. Okay. So if we take a perpendicular to mg,
So you're saying it will have no x component.
actually it is a circular motion. Okay.
Yes.
So that will be theta.
Yeah.
So that component will become mv square by r cos theta. That one. So that one will be mv square by r cos theta. Isn't it?
Then what will be? So you're breaking, okay, but it won't be at 90 degree, right?
And opposite to that, that will be mg sin theta.
mg sin theta.
Yeah.
I don't understand this.
It will be mg cos theta.
mg sin mg.
Because it is in motion.
I understand mg sin and mg. One second. So mg sin and mg cos will be at 90 degree to each other, right?
Yes, they are 90 degree to each other.
And mv square r cos theta and mv square r sin theta will also be at 90 degree to each other.
Yes.
And mv square r sin theta is equal to mg cos theta.
Yes. Yes.
They are both are equal.
Yes. So that means mg sin theta will be equal to mv square upon r cos theta. Isn't? Hello. Hello. What happened? Hello, Vihan. So that will make you sin theta by cos theta, cancelled. So that will be tan theta equal to v square by Rg. So theta is given to you, so we can calculate V. Okay. So V can be given as Rg tan theta square root. So that will be the velocity to take the turn. That will be the speed. Okay, meet you tomorrow. This session is now completed. For my YouTuber viewers, I'll tell you the timings. Most probably it will be in afternoon.
Hello, sir.